What's the meaning of baboon? Baboon. Baboon.
Baboon. Baboon. The word baboon refers to a type of large, terrestrial monkey found in parts of Africa and Arabia. They are known for their distinctively long muzzles and dog-like snouts, as well as their prominent buttocks and short tails. Some species of baboons are highly social and live in large troops, while others may be solitary or form smaller groups. These primates are widespread and adaptable, inhabiting a range of different habitats from savannas to forests. They are also opportunistic omnivores, feeding on a wide variety of foods including fruits, insects, small animals, and even human garbage in some areas.